Okay, 2008 Cayenne, and they're going to replace the fuel pressure sensor, which sits back here. So first thing you have to do is take off the beauty rings, take off the side one and the back one, and then right there with the two brass fittings on the right, that's the high pressure fuel pump that sits below that. To the left with the one brass fitting with the blue dot, that's the pressure relief valve on the fuel rail. And right below that with the plug right here, that's the plug-in for the fuel sensor. And to get this off, gently pull on the tab, gently, and then at the same time wiggle it loose. Okay, so the plug is off, and the best thing to do is push it on a little bit, then pull the clip and pull it up a little bit. But it's better if you're pulling on the body of the plug, not on the clip, so you don't want to break that clip. And on that clip, when you're pulling back, it's this thing inside here that you're actually moving away from the catch, which is on the plug, on the sensor. So, all right, you need a 27mm deep socket. I've got a swivel joint on here. You don't have to have that, 27 you need. And then they're not on very tight. And that's it. All right, now we can just unscrew it by hand. And you want to put a rag under that because there's gas that leaks out. Okay, so that's what the plug looks like. And down there, that's where it came out of. And my replacement plug, this is a VR6. So this is the part number it takes. Okay, the new one, I've screwed it on and screwed on the rest of the way. Just finger tight. Get your socket on there. And these aren't very tight. Just remember that. Okay. And now you can just put the plug back on. Beauty rings, and you're all set to go.